In this HubSpot tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to report on those HubSpot conversations that you've been having. Hey, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
As your team uses the HubSpot conversation inbox to manage communication with your leads and customers, are you measuring the success and or failure of those conversations? Well, you should be. You can use conversation reports on your dashboard to analyze how many conversations have taken place, how quickly your teams are responding, which team member is chatting the most, and let's not forget about which channel your visitors are using to get in touch with your team the most as well. You might be wondering, what reports can I build and how should I be doing it? Well, no worries. Let's dive into the HubSpot portal and get you started.
All right, so as you can see, I am in HubSpot, and I'm going to give you the first probably pro tip that I enjoy, and that is if you're going to report on conversations, sure, you can add it to your marketing dashboard, you can add it to your sales dashboard, but you might actually want to create just a dashboard for conversations. Look, I'm sure there's going to be reports that come out in the future that you're going to want to add to the ones that we already have. And so in this tutorial, I'm going to start with a brand new dashboard called Conversations. So the only thing that we really need to figure out is, do we want it to be visible by shared or private? I am actually going to say shared read only so nobody can mess with it. Although I really don't care if they mess with it, but for this tutorial, let's just go ahead and get into this. Now we have a new dashboard here called Conversations, and you're going to see that it automatically brings in a bunch of stuff here, which is somewhat annoying, but we're going to go ahead and we're going to remove these dashboard reports because, well, we didn't want any of these, and frankly, HubSpot, why? Why do you do this to me? No, I'm just kidding. We get it. You're trying to start us out in a good way. But what I want to do is I want to come in here and I'm going to hit add reports. And over to the left side, you're going to see conversations. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and you're going to see a couple different things. One, chat conversations over time.
This is a view of how many conversations are taking place over a specific time range.
So I'm going to go ahead and add that report. You're also going to see chat conversations by URL.
This is a view of how many conversations begin on a URL where there's a chat widget.
And I'm going to go ahead and add that report. And you're going to see average chat response time by assignee. And I'm going to go ahead and hit add report.
Average chat response time by assignee. This is a view of the average response time by each team member to a new chat conversation. Wondering how response time is measured? Well, the response time is the amount of time between being assigned a conversation and the team member's first response. Pretty simple, right?
You're also going to see chat conversations by assignee.
This is a view of the number of conversations that have been assigned to each team member.
And yes, you get it. I'm going to hit add report. I'll scroll up here a little bit, and last but not least, you'll see conversations by source.
This is a view of how many conversations originated from either a live chat conversation or an incoming email.
And guess what? Yes, I'm going to hit add report. But before I do, even though I've explained these to you, you can see if you hover over any of these, it is going to give an explanation. I'm going to hit add report. And once I've done that, then I can go ahead and go back to my dashboard. Notice here there is also create a custom report, but we're not going to mess with that in this tutorial. We're just going to go back to dashboard. Now we have a conversations dashboard that pulls in all the information of what we've been doing when it comes to our chat conversations by URL, chat conversations over time, average chat response, you get it, and it allows us to go ahead and take some actions on here. So we can rename the dashboard, we can change the owner, we can set it as the default dashboard, clone it, delete it, all sorts of things. Now, the best part that I like is I can make it a reoccurring email, send it to myself on a monthly basis, and I know all about the conversations that are happening in my HubSpot Conversations tool.
Hey, did you like this video? Want to get tutorials like this right in your inbox? Then check the description below and sign up for our special Sprocket Talk only list. Head over to our private Sprocket Talk Facebook group for more education and a community of other HubSpot users on a journey to master this thing we call HubSpot. Make sure you hit the likes and subscribes, everything, so we know that you're part of the community. And last but not least, if you need training past this tutorial, check the description below. Learn more about our 1 and 2 day on-location HubSpot sales and marketing workshops. Until next time, this is your boy George B. Thomas from Impulse Creative saying, go out into the world and do some happy HubSpotting.